commentary.
No. I'm not going to give commentary, I'm just going to...
What you've got to do.
What you've got to do, right, guys, you got to take this off here. Oh, I just done it before and it came off. There we go.
Wait, hold on.
Anyway, the guy that I watched took the clutch lever off and then started loosening all this nonsense. And that's quick release. He could have just put that forward and released that there, but he didn't. He started undoing stuff there for some reason. Anyway, another way to loosen it is just loosen that there. Tighten that and gives you a bit of slack in it. Let's do it. Let's do this. So we need a T30.
Babe, can I have them crumpets that are out of date, please? No, I'll have them crumpets, babe, or they won't get it.
I don't want anything.
Nothing at all?
No, just had a bacon sandwich. Or a bacon and egg.
That's not a T30.
It is?
It's not.
Oh no, sorry, that is.
I know bloody T30s when I see them.
Surely you've got to roll that.
Yeah.
Making me aching.
It's both turned together.
Right, so.
Once you release this quick release from there.
Right, where's your new one? How to do it? Have you done it?
No. Yeah. Of course I've already done it.
You want a screwdriver? That's a ratchet.
Well, they've not got a screwdriver here, have we?
This?
Otherwise I would have held it.
What's that?
It's not a screwdriver.
There it is.
It's not. Brand spankers. Well, it's not brand spankers,
Well, what do you have the thing set up?
I'll test it in a sec. We did have to release that. Pull it again. Yeah.
No, it's not working yet.
Anyway,
So
it's
the
done.
only way you'd know whether that's working is if it starts in gear.
That was a secret location of the key.
Look, that, seen that?
Yeah.
20 mil, probably a bit less than 20 mil. Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Put it on number 1. Still got the same play.
Yeah, so the clutch lever was just in a bit.
What, number 3 or something?
Maybe.
Oh, not genuine BM, was it?
Is it not? Where's the one that came off? No, it is. Yeah, they're different.
Yeah, different.
Yeah.
How? Oh, you mean the brake's different to the clutch, you mean?
Yeah, I've got a brake on the seat there.
Fix the bike, babe.
I did. Yeah.
Jay didn't do it. Jay
I
didn't
fixed
even
it. What if he starts now? In gear? He does top wheelies.
Right. So it won't start.
That's done.